Hello NEET warriors, this is day 4 of my NEET 2026 preparation 100. I starting my day with Vipin sir lecture. His notes are extremely structured and concept driven. By the time I completed this session, it was 8:15 a.m. and my momentum for the day was already set. Now I moved to physics with MR sir, where I studied the basis of vector, a foundation topic that strengthened the entire physics syllabus. After that, I attended Sudhanshu chemistry lecture covering gases and stoichiometry. I focused on clarity, calculation, and smart problem solving. Then come Vipin sir botany lecture on biological classification with a precise NCERT based explanation. Since the island test is approaching, I revised wave optics, focusing on formula concept and common mistakes. I wrapped up my day by reading Mad Easy, solving the Sangharsh assignment, and completing my botany DPP. Day 4 done, mission continues. कोट फॉर द डे, नीट क्रैक करने के लिए मोटिवेशन नहीं डिसिप्लिन चाहिए.